Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about remote software engineer jobs. We're not just talking about any jobs, but rather positions that'll pay top dollar for your skills and let you work from anywhere. Needless to say, it is indeed one of the hottest and most sought-after opportunities in the remote work world. If you're wondering if you could earn Silicon Valley salaries as a software engineer without ever stepping into an office, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to show you exactly the skills you need as a remote software engineer and their earning potential. So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started. Remote software engineering isn't just a trend anymore. It's become the new standard. So let's talk about why this matters right now. The pandemic didn't just temporarily change how we work, it permanently transformed the software engineering landscape. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, software developer employment is projected to grow 15% through 2034. And here's the kicker. 45% of software engineers are now working from home permanently. This created a global talent market. Companies finally realized something crucial. Engineers don't need fancy offices to write brilliant code. They need focus, good tools, and trust. You could work for a Berlin startup while living in Brazil, or join a Silicon Valley company from India. In reality, geography no longer determines your earning potential, rather your skills and knowledge does. More power to you. So why is everyone rushing toward remote software engineering jobs? The benefits go way beyond skipping your morning commute. First, there's financial savings. We're talking up to $15,000 annually on commuting, work clothes, and lunches. Second, your quality of life transforms overnight. Health improvements are massive too. More time to exercise, better sleep, reduce stress levels. Third, you get to spend quality time and be present for important family moments without sacrificing your career. Fourth, let's talk about productivity. Fewer office distractions mean deeper concentration without frequent physical interruptions. Fifth, you can schedule your day around your peak performance hours, whether you're a night owl or a morning person. But let's be honest about the challenges too. Remote work requires serious discipline. Your couch is right there, Netflix is one click away. Communication also becomes more intentional because you can't just tap someone's shoulder, and the isolation is real too. But remote work also requires some specific skills that set top performers apart. Written communication becomes even more critical when you're not face-to-face with customers or teammates. Needless to say, you need to be clear, concise, and professional in every email and chat message you send. Self-motivation is also huge because nobody's looking over your shoulder, making sure you're staying on task. And tech proficiency? Absolutely essential. Let me walk you through the tools you'll most likely use daily. Most job listings want proficiency in one or two languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, and Go. Understanding database choices, caching strategies, and load balancing separates junior developers from senior engineers. But here's what also really matters: soft skills. Your communication skills should help explain complex technical concepts clearly in writing. Pull request descriptions should tell a clear story. You need internal drive to start tasks, push through problems, and meet deadlines. Time management, async communication, problem-solving independence, collaboration skills, and adaptability, these are crucial skills. Familiarity with project management tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana, and understanding agile development helps tremendously. Now, let's also talk salaries. Entry-level roles pay $70,000 to $90,000. Mid-level earns $100,000 to $140,000, and senior software engineers make $150,000 to $200,000. Disclaimer, please note that all salary ranges mentioned are arbitrary numbers and are often determined by multiple factors, including but not limited to geographic location, experience, skills, and company size, and may be adjusted based on the full details of the compensation package, including benefits, equity, bonuses, and other perks. And here's a beautiful thing about remote work: geographic arbitrage, a real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs. So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time. We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews. Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. All right, let's wrap this up. So, there you have it. Your complete guide to high-paying remote software engineer jobs. The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere. Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen. Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs. What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.